It's me! You ain't tested, you're guessing. It's me, Mikey Pipes. All right, it's me, Mikey Pipes. I think you guys are going to enjoy this, especially since I don't work on that many gas-fired furnaces. Okay, this service call. Customer's complaint, system randomly blows cold air at night, and she's cold. She's cold, she's shivering. And she's got a Rheem 90+% efficient gas-fired furnace located in her attic, which has an evaporator coil on it for central air. Here we go. It's me, Mikey Pipes, Godzilla. Another neighbor's house. The other day we were right over there, and now we're here. And I live over there. All right. You want to know what the problem is here, Godzilla?
Do you need a dollar bill?
You could, yeah. You could use a dollar bill.
Yeah.
We can all use dollar bills.
Only dollar bills?
You can also use scratchy paper. Like, pay me. And the guy whips out $15,000 in cash for a steam boiler. I'm like, that's just about right. And he's like, his panties dropped to the floor, by the way.
You're a little short, bro.
You're a little short. All right. The customer's complaint here is that it keeps her up in the middle of the night. There's her bed. There's a return. There's a filter. There's a diffuser. There's a diffuser. There's a diffuser. Forced air system. As you can see, there's no baseboard and there's no radiant. And it would have been nice to have radiant. But at night, she likes to keep it around 62, 63. And it's cold at night. It comes on, runs for a little bit, turns off. Comes on, runs for a little bit, turns off. And I was here the other day. Oh, why is my garage door open? Oh, okay. There's Daisy. Oh, she's leaving. Hold on. Where's she going? Oh, there she is. There she is. And the wife is home. There goes my, what do you want to call her? There's the girl. All right. So it comes on, turns off, comes on, turns off. Anyway, my neighbor calls me, like, Mikey Pipes, please help me. And I'm like, what's wrong? So she tells me. I'm like, okay. Did you check the filter? The client goes, what filter? And I'm like, I'll come over.
Yeah.
I'm like, that filter behind me. She's like, there's a filter there? I'm like, yep. If there isn't, then you're in deep shit. So we took the filter out, put a new one in. It was fine for a day, a night. Then it came back. The problem reoccurred. It's the gift that keeps on giving. Like Mikey Pipes, pay me. Will you pay me? All right, let's go to the thermostat. It's set for 65. It's reading 67. Let's listen very, very quiet. We're hunting wabbit. You hear that? That's the inducer motor running in the attic furnace. The furnace is in the attic. Let's wait. Let's wait for it. I know I'm not patient either. There's ignition, you hear that? There's flame. We have main burner ignition. You can hear it. I'm not very patient. Oh, and there's the blow motor. Now, this is when we really, really, really need to be very observant of our surroundings and be very, very patient and duplicate the customer's problem. Thermostat is set for 70. I'm gonna raise this up to 72. I'm gonna hit hold. It's already on hold. And we're gonna see what happens. This may take some time, but if it's occurring, what if it's occurring? We should be able to document it. If the ignition got interrupted by a phone call, I'm gonna stand under this vent. Hot air is blowing on me. It's blowing on me. So she's saying it blows cold, turns off, then blows cold, then heats up, maybe runs for a little while, then blows cold. Heats up, blows cold. I don't know. You know what maybe? Maybe a dirty flame sensor. You know what that is, Godzilla? Yeah? Oh, okay. I'm gonna take a seat on this pink couch. Yeah, because I can. While I'm waiting for this furnace to act up. While we're waiting, fortunately for us, attic pull downstairs. And yes, it's kind of odd that we were doing air conditioning calls and now we're doing furnace calls, right? Let me grab my kicks. By the way, the best shoes ever. These Morels. Get them on. What did I get them on? What's that? Zappos. You got them too, huh? The Morels. They're comfortable. They're very, very comfortable. But they don't wear well, as you can see. But at least they stay dry. Keep your feet dry. All right. Let's go up there. I've tried Timberlands, the Tims. They're not too comfortable. You know? I'd rather buy a pair of $100 shoes and replace them every few months than not be comfortable. All right, any switches here? No, let's head them to the attic. Where's my big black thing? I know Peter Smart's like, why aren't you using your headlamp, Mikey Pipes? I don't know. Oh, there it is. Okay. She's running. There she is. All right, let's get over there. See what's going on up here. Up in here. Up in here. Up in here. Gotta love it when they don't put plywood down. Ah, it's fucking hot here. Damn. Why is this hot? Huh? Oh yeah. You know, a lot of contractors, when they do work in attics, it becomes like a graveyard. Oh, look at this. Oh shit. It's like a surfboard here. Unbelievable. They just put duct tape, more duct tape. If you're gonna do the job, man, at least do it right. Let's see what we have over here. Oh, damper control system, huh? That's pretty cool. I'll tell you what's messed up though. Why isn't that white? Ah, fuck me, man. Damn. Air conditioning isn't wired. By the way, it is bought the house. The end of last summer. Interesting. All right. Do I want to stop putzing around with this stuff? I probably should hook up the air conditioning for them. The wire's just sitting there. It's following the line set. See that? It's following the line set. It's not going there for an unknown reason. But she's working. Well, let's not be a total loss. Let's go see if. I guess they're gonna use red and white. All right, Godzilla. We're gonna hook up red and white. All right, the flame turned off And then it was still running, and 5-7 was flashing there. 5-7 is pressure switch open. Interesting. Let's try to do that again. Alright, let's do purge override. Okay. Pressure switch open. Alright. Let's take a look at this disaster. Because that's me, Mikey Pipes. Magnet for disaster. Right, Godzilla? Okay. There's our exhaust. 2-inch, going to 3-inch. Yep, you're looking at that right. Going up. Across. Oh. Back to 2-inch. Will they have a sale on 3-inch? And what the fuck is up with this? Well, hold on. What's up with this gas flex? What are we in, California? What the fuck is this? Not only are we creating a trap, not a trap, we're having water accumulate there, the condensate accumulating there. We're using gas flex. Complete hackery. Hackery. Pipe that in, but I'm not doing that today. It's Friday, I want to go home. All right, inducer motor just kicked on, and you can hear that? That water? I hear the condensate. Look at that. You see all that shavings right there? Those are all the shavings from the PVC when they cut the PVC pipe. Look at that. Hackery. Complete and utter hackery. Just keeps getting better, ladies and gentlemen. Took a little piece of wire, shoved it in there at the bottom of that T. She just tried to ignite, but she didn't. And as you can hear that? Sounds like there's water, but it's coming from there. And it's interfering with the ignition process. See that? Oh, you guys are in for a treat. You guys don't get many gas-fired furnaces from Mikey Pipes. All right. Do a couple basic little things first. She's clear there. I don't want to make a mess, but I'll make a little bit of a mess. I want to take off those clamps right there. Godzilla, can I get a 5/16? I gotta get that on video. You see that? The burners were trying to ignite. I took off the cap from there, and she lit up, and then she turned off real quick. So let's just do a quick little power cycle. All right, like that. Put this back together. I'm gonna show you what I did. Let me hit that purge. Okay, watch this. It's full of water. See? Cap off. See that? Look at that. there. Watch what we're gonna see. Watch this. Do a little modification here. Problem is this, right? But can I get this off right now? Yes. Look at all that water pouring out of there. Well, it's going into the emergency drain pan like it should. And if we look in there, I bet you it's full of water. Yep. More water sitting there. Unbelievable. Don't try this at home, ladies and gentlemen, but my inducer motor is running. This is not connected. I just want to make sure we have good ignition. It's only going to be for a split second. Look at that. See? No issue. Show that real quick. All right. Steven, do we have a 2-inch PVC coupling? Oh, hold on. I need a 2-inch PVC coupling and a 3-inch PVC coupling and a 2-inch PVC 90. Do we have any of that? If we have that, we can make the repair now. Alternatively, you have to come back. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this 3x2 PVC reducing coupling out. We're going to put a coupling here instead, a full 2-inch coupling, come across, clearing this disaster here, right? Then, matter of fact, no, we're not going to do this right now. Disregard that because I'm not going to do this. I'm not going to be this idiot. We're going to cut this out. We're going to put a coupling here. We're going to come across. Well, I'm not even actually going to do that. The shorter the run, the better. I'm going to come across, come up in 2-inch, a couple 45s across, 45s to there, and solve that problem. And now that all that water is out of there, let's see if we put this back in, it'll work the way it should. Stand by. All right, put this back together. Easiest way to get that elbow back on is to drop the 4 screws, holding the inducer motor assembly to the outlet of the heat exchanger. So drop that, just took 5 minutes, hooked up the elbow. She's drained. I don't have that swishing sound anymore. I have ignition. I will have ignition. And next week we'll take care of this. Cut there, go 2-inch all the way there. I don't know what they were thinking. I don't know what they were thinking, Godzilla. And let me hook up a cooling circuit for them up there. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, support me. I love you, you love me. We're a big happy family.